Sizzle your way to success: how cooking enthusiasts can make money in real estate. Introduction. Are you passionate about cooking and real estate? Imagine combining these two interests to create a lucrative and fulfilling career. While it might sound like an unconventional idea, there are plenty of opportunities for cooking enthusiasts to make money in the real estate industry. In this article, we'll explore various ways you can turn your culinary passion into a profitable venture in the world of real estate. Airbnb cooking classes. If you're a skilled chef, consider hosting cooking classes in your Airbnb rental property. Many travelers are looking for unique experiences, and offering cooking classes can attract guests who want to learn to cook local cuisine. You can include the cost of ingredients and your expertise in the rental price. This not only enhances your Airbnb listing but also provides an additional income stream. Culinary retreats. Transform your real estate property into a culinary retreat destination. Create an environment where food lovers can escape for a few days to immerse themselves in cooking classes, food tastings, and culinary adventures. Whether you have a cozy cabin in the woods or a charming farmhouse in the countryside, you can market your property as a culinary getaway. Food truck ventures. If you're considering investing in real estate, think about properties in locations with high foot traffic or near popular food truck spots. You can lease the space to food truck vendors, earning rental income and enjoying delicious meals right at your doorstep. Moreover, owning a food truck property can be a great way to support local culinary entrepreneurs. Commercial kitchen rentals. Many chefs and foodpreneurs need access to commercial kitchens to prepare their dishes for catering events, food delivery services, or small-scale production. If you have space in your real estate property, you can rent it out to culinary professionals. This arrangement provides a steady stream of rental income while helping local food businesses thrive. Restaurant partnerships. Investing in a restaurant property or partnering with a chef to open a restaurant is a bold move that can yield substantial returns. Your real estate investment becomes not just a source of income but also a hub for your culinary passion. Collaborating with a talented chef can help you navigate the restaurant industry successfully. Cooking vacation rentals. Transforming your property into a cooking-themed vacation rental can be a unique way to attract food enthusiasts. Outfit your kitchen with high-quality equipment and create a cozy dining space. Offer packages that include cooking classes, wine tastings, and culinary tours of the area to make your property stand out. Culinary garden rentals. If you have a spacious backyard or land attached to your property, consider turning it into a culinary garden. Lease plots to local chefs and restaurants looking for fresh, organic produce. You not only earn money from the garden rental but also contribute to the local food scene. Conclusion. For cooking enthusiasts who also have an interest in real estate, there are numerous creative ways to merge these passions and generate income. Whether you're hosting cooking classes, partnering with restaurants, or offering unique culinary experiences in your real estate properties, the possibilities are endless. By capitalizing on the intersection of food and real estate, you can savor both financial success and the satisfaction of pursuing your culinary dreams.